3 bowls. You guys can find the things for me. So 3 bowls. Okay, what cups do we need on there?
Do you wash any other bowls?
3/4 and 1.
3/4 and 1 cup. So flour and sugar are down here, right? So we need to pull those out. And then I have brown sugar. Huh? Are you gonna equal the? All right, guys, come on over. Yes, please. Or a knife.
Right there. That's perfectly there.
Awesome. All right, who wants to be my first volunteer?
Her first victim.
Careful.
You want to? Okay. So, what's the one for flowers?
3/4 cup.
Okay, so what's the first one we have to measure?
Oh.
3/4 cup.
Fruit, packed, and form.
So, the weight was just both of those. So, first we need to do it packed, right? Do you guys have a regular 3/4 cup or you just have a 1/4? Because that's fine. So you want to go, if you find something you want to know about for me?
Yeah, I think we just got a
1/4?
1/4.
Okay, that's fine. So he's already measured it, equaled it out to 0 on here.
What are we
So
looking for?
flowers over here.
3/4 of a cup. 3/4.
So we're doing it packed.
I need one of those things.
No, you don't do it the right way. This time we're doing it packed.
We're doing it packed.
So pack it in.
So you can use a spatula, you can... Yeah. So I need 3/4, so... So I didn't want to do a cup because she already did a cup on the video and that'd just be cheating. So we're at 3/4. So how much does that weigh? Someone tell me.
41 ounces.
So,
No.
do it correctly. Just carefully.
Will. Only my first victim.
So this is ounces. So 4, 8, 12, and a pound. So where is it at? So about 4.5 ounces. Oh, yeah. Alright.
But it's 4.5. The writing is down.
Alright. So now, if you want to just pour that in so we don't waste it.
We can just put it back in the bowl.
You sure? Put his hand on it. Okay. Alright. Trust you. Okay. So now we need it to be fluffed.
Feels messed up.
3/4? Yep, 3/4. So remember how she fluffed it? Do you have a spoon?
I'll just use this to fluff it around and then I'll...
Okay. Remember how she did it though?
It'd probably work better with an actual spoon. That's going to cup it and compress it the more you move it
Okay,
through.
so go get her a spoon so we can when
Wait,
we do it.
What'd you say?
You got a spoon.
Same thing, but...
We got a spoon. And almost too long.
Good try though.
Why do we get 3 bowls?
Flour.
Flour, sugar, brown sugar.
Where's the leveler?
You could just use the handle.
Very large level.
Is that fluffed or packed?
That's fluffed. Or, yeah, fluffed, yeah. So what's the difference between them?
One's a whole pound bigger.
Yeah. You see why it's important that you put them in correctly?
So is the correct way to fluff them or to pack them?
What did she say in the video?
Like, I thought I seen her fluffing them for the correct way, but I'm just making sure.
Yeah, so fluffing, exactly. Alright. So who wants to do my sugar for me?
Jeff will.
How much did the pack cost?
The pack was 4.5 ounces. Alright. 1 cup sugar. Obviously there's really no right or wrong way to do sugar, but it's just very.
We like grandma.
So how much is a cup of sugar?
7.5. Mine is a gram. So it was off.
It's not quite on 8, but it's not quite on.
So a little over 7.5, right? So you can just put 7.5 out like that. Okay. Okay. So I decided I'm going to do something a little bit different with the brown sugar. So how do you usually measure brown
You
sugar?
pack it.
Pack it, right? But just so we can see the difference of packing it and not packing it, we're going to do 1 packed and then 1 just kind of just putting it in there and then putting it in. Understand? Okay. So how much do we need? A cup. So let me do this around. You guys want to help me?
Come on, Kim. Come on, possible, Kim. You got it.
Much better.
Alright. So here's the cup. So how about you just kind of scoop it in and then just pour it in there. Just try to fill it up if possible. Yeah, and then you can just maybe just pour some more so you fill it up also. How much is that?
About 5.5.
5.5. Perfect. Alright, so now let's try packing it all together. You want to help me with that one? So, let's pour this out here. Pack the whole thing in.
Maybe taking off the spring. Oops.
A little bit more in there. And then you just
I'll go 1 more measurement for yours.
So what's the measurement on that one?
About 8.
About 8 ounces. So what's the difference between the one that's kind of lightly packed and the one that's squished in there?
Like pretty much
2.5 ounces.
Yeah, 2.5.
2.5 ounces.
You're paying more.
Alright. So what did we learn today from doing this experiment?
You can probably do it the right way.
Weight's a better measurement.
Weight's a better measurement. So what can happen if you don't measure correctly?
You can draw off the
Have a good weekend.
Bye.
You're taking what?
Draw off the recipe.
Okay, and throw it off. So, like what happens when you put too much baking soda?
You get a baking soda flavor.
Oh, that tastes bad to me. I like that taste.
Well, I don't recommend you keeping it because it can keep it.
I ate most of it.
So,
Yeah, he was like, I thought it tasted good. I was like, My cooking should taste great. That tastes good.
So how many of you, how many of you have a scale at home? Like your parents use one? Your parents use one?
Yep.
So, if you guys ever get a scale, I invite you to weigh different things when you bake. So when I was making my cupcakes last night, those actually were cups, but I was using the scale just so I could see what the weight was. So if ever I needed to, I would know. It's kind of cool. I had all my friends were over last night and they just kept putting random things on the scale, like, oh, how much does this weigh? Oh, how much does my phone weigh? It's just really interesting just learning how much things weigh and how that incorporates into your cooking, because it really does show a difference. So
Okay.
that's it. But I do have something for you guys for each